Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Photoshop freezing and crashing inside your PC or laptop. So how can you fix that issue? Now first of all, go to the Windows and just search here Photoshop, or you can just try it from your desktop as well if you have the application. So just right click on it and click on run as administrator. So basically this allows all the permission to the Photoshop to run in the full, you can say the full form. But if you normally open it, it sometimes is not allowed to completely perform, or you can just face any kind of issue. So make sure to run as admin. That is a first solution that you can try. Now the second thing is, let me just close it again and just find the icon of the Photoshop, you can say. And once you go and find the application, so just click on shift, keep pressing the shift button and open it, and make sure to keep pressing the shift button, do not leave it. And you will see this interface: skip loading optional and third party plugins. Sometimes that helps perform Photoshop better, and also allows the initial crashes, allows skips the initial crashes, which can help you somehow. And the third method that you can try is make sure that your graphic drivers are updated. As you can see, like I have AMD graphic card, so make sure to check for any updates. If your driver is outdated, make sure to update your graphic drivers as well. And the fourth thing that you can try, and just make sure that your C drive or the drive where Photoshop is installed, it has enough storage as well. As you can see, like I have 40 GB free space, but if your C storage is full, or the disk where the Photoshop installed, make sure to free up some space, and after that it will perform better. So these are some solutions, some simple methods which you can try and fix your problem. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.